Hey Ara,
Hey Regina.
I'm getting persistent quality in my I'm stuck. What should I do?
Porosity is usually contamination or sealing issue. My suggestion is to first aggressively clean the base metal. Rust or oil will test the gas pockets.
Okay, can the metal better? What else?
Next, I recommend to examining your silk gas and check your flow rate to 20 to 25 cfh and make sure your torch nozzle is perfectly clean. This torch gas seal lets in atmospheric air.
Base metal clean, gas flow check it, noisy clean, and should I check anything about my technique?
Yes, if it continues, you might want to consider slowing down your travel speed. Welding to fast traps bubbles. Yes.
Great at first, Ara. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.